Stop investing so much money into people that are not your husband or wife. Money cannot buy you love. If you're starting to see that you got to spend money just for somebody's time, leave it alone because you're going to come out with nothing. It's not a requirement to take care of somebody that's not your husband or wife. If you want to do things for the kindness of your heart, then that's fine and good. But people are spending so much money every month that they are spending a whole salary a year just trying to be with a person. When these people are out here dating multiple people and it's becoming an investment for them to collect money here and there. Learn about a person's goals, career, and their passions, but take time to get to know a person so you can know if that person is right for you. Level up so that way when you connect with somebody and you decide that you want a real long-lasting relationship, you can see that it's real and you can put 100% into it, and you know they will as well because you were patient and you gave yourself time enough to get to know that person. Quit putting all your eggs into one basket because you're going to miss out on great opportunities. Start working on yourself, your mental health, your physical health, buying a home, fixing your credit. That way when you do find somebody and you want to be serious, you'll be 100% well balanced. With doing all these things, you will start learning how to attract people that are also well level-headed as you. If you build a foundation that wasn't faulty from the beginning, then you're less likely to fall. There's nothing wrong with doing nice things for people and showing them that you care and buying them gifts if you feel like you want to do that. But stop paying these bills and playing house with people that you don't see a future with. Then you're going to soon realize that while the chips were falling, you couldn't even pick them back up because somebody else was collecting them. And now you have to start with nothing, back from day one. It's time to level up. Do the work. It starts with you first. Stop getting played and play the game so you can come out on the winning end.